Interns are the future of the company. They bring in enthusiasm and they bring in new ideas, which help drive our every project forward. I worked as a software engineering intern, and as an intern, we are assigned a mentor. And you're interacting the most with that mentor. And he not only helped me grow professionally, but he cared about my personal growth as well. I have grown by learning the responsibility that comes along with the kind of impact that you get to make at Uber. Every piece of code that you put out there is going to make a difference in someone's life. So that makes you responsible and independent and more confident in yourself. Uber has its presence worldwide, and being an engineer on Uber Maps lets me make an impact worldwide. My name is Apurva Bhandari, and I work as a software engineer on the Maps engineering team.